Hello guys, in this video we are going to be doing a case study about a call campaign which we ran for Khan Electronics, which was our client for the Diwali campaign. So we ran this campaign from 17th of October till 20th October, and we are going to be looking at certain details which we noticed about this campaign. Here you can look at the results of the campaign. We got 80 calls and the amount we spent was around, if you add it up, it is around 2120 rupees, and we managed to get around 80 calls. So it's good, it's kind of good. Cost per result is around 26 rupees. So the client wanted to run ads, very cheap ads, for awareness, of course, for calls in their store. And we suggested them that we can go with the call campaign as it is cheaper, and it will do the job of awareness about the Diwali offer. They wanted to target a certain location in Varanasi. Let's break down the campaign. This is one is the main campaign. I was just tweaking around with this one, so we'll just start with this one. I'll just break it down. This is the campaign name. We are using campaign budget optimization. The budget, as you can see, is 200 rupees, but I was using budget scheduling. So we used to increase the budget from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m., which was the normal working hour, you can say. So we used to increase the budget by 350 rupees. On the day before Diwali, we increased the budget to around 1000 rupees. These are all the settings we did for the campaign level. Now we are going to be looking into ad set level. This was the ad set name. You can use any naming convention. I usually do this. Electronic store Pindra. Pindra is the location and the date. So this was a call campaign. The budget, as you can see, again, it was for campaign budget optimization, so we can't really do anything with it here. And start date and end date, you can see here. As the location, you can see here, it is too narrow. Okay. On 19th, the client asked us to narrow down the audience further. So as you can see, it's 4 miles. Used to do 10 miles. I won't suggest this bus, but it was our client and he was asking us to do this, so we did this. Now we can go ahead with the ad creatives. These were the ad creatives, and I'll show you with the on the campaign level itself which ad creative performed, which didn't perform. So yeah, how we optimized the campaign. So in 2 days, this is the ad set. These are the ad. You can see the results here. What we did with this. Here you can see these three ads were the best performing one. At first I ran this one video only ad, and the video was not really that good. So as you can see, cost per result was 68 rupees, which is too high. Two calls placed and the amount spent was 136. At first I used only image ad and video ad. Next morning I added these two, and actually it was a very good decision to include flexible image and flexible videos. I used combination of two videos and I used combination of around 6 images. So as you can see, these three ads performed well. It's all down to the ad creative. You can see shop owners interacting with customers in this video. In this video also, you can see the shop owner gifting the customer. So it establishes some emotional connection. Viewers interacted with these two ads, and there were calls that were placed. Few calls were 60-second calls also. And as I got to know that many visitors were there at the shop and they bought the items, they even purchased electronics from the store. So it was a very successful campaign overall, and shop owner was very happy with the campaign. At first we made the mistake with the ad creative. I asked them for some good photograph of the store, like shop owner interacting with the customers, videos of shop owners interacting with the customers. Those creatives I wanted, so I got them and we got the results. That's all for the video today. If you want more such videos, you can just subscribe to the channel, and I'll be posting more videos in future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.